Chief Meteorologist Tom Coomes here with this weather update, and I want to talk about the active weather ahead this week. And it starts with Monday morning's lows in the single digits. That cold weather is significant because our ground is now in a deep freeze, and that has a memory just like back in November when we had 60s and the ground was warm and it snowed. Snow didn't stick very well. Well, now we have the opposite circumstance. The ground is now cold, so whatever is wet could still freeze even if the air temperature is above freezing. And that turns our focus to Wednesday. So go through the Monday and Tuesday. It's fairly uneventful. Might get clipped by a brief flurry Tuesday morning. Nothing really there. Tuesday evening, we warm up 33, 34 with rain likely. Rain in the air above freezing, but that ground is still below freezing. And so my real concern is Tuesday night, Wednesday morning, that rain could freeze. And at some point, temperatures will drop Wednesday into Thursday, and whatever is wet could also freeze. But my concern really is probably freezing rain predominantly for Wednesday morning. The air is above freezing, the surface below freezing, and icy roads. This is widespread. I have a level 2 out of 5 threat for the entire area. Let's take this seriously. Now, we can hope that, hey, we're just above freezing and the result is wet roadways. That's fine, but I don't see a lot of models handling this situation very well, and I don't think they're taking into account of how cold the ground is. Now, we may be just fine if we just stay warm enough, long enough, but we're teetering on a line where we're up to about a degree or so difference before we could have some big problems. So what we're tracking this week is the freezing rain on Wednesday, but I'm also highlighting Friday of this week with a 2 out of 5 threat because we could have more lake effect snow. This week's fairly active, and the breakdown here for Friday afternoon through Saturday morning right now is lake effect snow with more than 3 inches. We'll put the line there. Could be more than that? We'll wait and see. It's tough to say exactly how this plays out, but we've kind of seen a couple scenarios so far. Thursday, clipped by a system that turns the wind northwesterly. You can see by the end of Friday, we see lake effect snowfall. Again, depending on how this wind blows, if it's like this, is it like this, the significant snow bands could change. But this looks to be lasting through at least Saturday morning. So freezing rain on Wednesday and lake effect snow come Friday, just 2 of the many occurrences of active winter weather this week. It also gets cold this weekend. We'll keep you updated in the forecast.